There's a new baby on the way. Mom's tummy is full. She can't pick me up, and Dad has to tie her shoes. I wonder what babies are like. Do they cry a lot? How much do they sleep? Will the baby roll into my spot? Maybe I can make the baby laugh. If they have a stinky diaper, I'll help them take a bath. I know babies drink bottles, but what else will they eat? Will they share my fruit snacks? Will there be enough for me? I don't know if I like the sound of this baby idea. What if Mom forgets about me? Look, Mom, I'm over here. What if Mom and Dad loves the baby more? I have so many questions. I'll ask Gigi, she'll know for sure. Gigi says, babies need a lot of attention. They also need a lot of love too. Mom and Dad's heart will grow bigger because now it needs room for two. There's a new baby on the way. Hi baby, it's me. I'm your big sister. You're gonna learn a lot from me.
Thank you, Gigi. Thank you, Gigi.
Sometimes they call me nerd, corny, or a geek. So what? I'm smart. I like those things about me. You don't have to understand my personality. Mom thinks I'm cool, and Dad says I'm sweet. I'd rather read my tablet than to play with makeup. I'd rather do an experiment than to play Roblox. Books open new worlds, that's why I love to read. I visit places in my mind and I love to daydream. I love animals, I wonder why birds fly. I wonder what's on the mountain if I were to climb. And I wonder what's in the ocean if I died. I love to explore, books take me everywhere. I don't mind telling you what I've learned, I'm always open to share. When I open a book, my imagination activates. We were all made special, be you in every kind of way.
Thank you, Gigi. Thank you, Gigi.
I don't know what it is, but I feel it with me. Maybe it's under a rock, something I can't see. It's really hard to explain, but it wraps around me. I get warm inside and feel kind of fuzzy. Without a doubt, I know it loves me. It gives me a peaceful feeling that overwhelms me. Like the sun on my face and the grass on the ground, I look around, it's everything that could be. I wish I could put it in words, but you would have to believe. Sometimes I stare at the clouds and feel the wind in my hair. Surely God's love is something I should share. God is always with you and always with me. I feel this love every time my heart beats.
Thank you, Gigi.
Hi friends, welcome to Thank You GiGi's Gratitude Garden. Today we're going to explore a magical garden where saying thank you makes everything bloom with joy. Are you ready to see how it works?
Wow, a garden where flowers bloom when you say thank you? This is gonna be so much fun.
Hello everyone. I'm so happy you're here in my special gratitude garden. I'm gonna show you just how magical saying thank you can be.
Let's start exploring, and we'll show you how gratitude can make our world brighter, one thank you at a time.
Every time I say thank you, something amazing happens. Like this flower, it just bloomed because I said thank you for this beautiful garden.
Wait, really? You just said thank you and it bloomed?
That's right. Gratitude is like magic. It makes everything feel brighter and more positive. When we say thank you, we're showing appreciation, and that brings happiness to the world around us.
Exactly. I say thank you for my acorns, my cozy treehouse, and for all my friends. Saying thank you makes me feel happy and connected.
I'm thankful for my family, and I'm thankful for fun adventures I get to go on with my friends like you, Gigi.
That's right, Clara. And guess what? Saying thank you doesn't just make flowers bloom, they make us feel happy inside.
That's the magic of gratitude. It brings positivity into our hearts and into the world around us.
Now it's your turn, friends. Let's all think about something we're thankful for. What are you grateful for today?
I'm thankful for my favorite toy, my soft blanket, and all the new friends I get to meet. What about you?
I'm thankful for all the wonderful acorns I find, my comfy home, and of course, this amazing garden.
Wonderful. Now let's all say thank you together. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Thank you. Look at all those beautiful flowers blooming because of your gratitude. Isn't it amazing? Something as simple as saying thank you can make such a big difference.
It sure is. I'm going to say thank you for everything now.
That's the spirit, Clever. Gratitude can make our world a brighter place, one thank you at a time.
Thanks for joining us in our gratitude garden today. We hope you learned how powerful gratitude can be. And now we have a special challenge for you.
We want you to share what you're thankful for. Take a picture of something you love or enjoy and share it with us using the hashtag Thank You GiGi Garden.
Let's fill the world with gratitude. I can't wait to see your gratitude gardens.
When we show gratitude, we make the world a kinder and happier place. Let's keep saying thank you together. Thank you for visiting the Gratitude Garden today, friends. We hope you're feeling happy and inspired to spread kindness. Keep saying thank you, and let's make the world bloom with gratitude.
Bye-bye, everyone. I'll be saying thank you for everything I love.
Take care, friends. See you next time in the garden.
Thank you, Gigi.
In a mysterious land far away, Gigi stumbled upon a place where no children were allowed to play. There was a mean old king who grunted and said, "If you catch them singing or playing, then off with their heads." There was no time for play. There was work to be done. You better not get caught laughing or having any fun. It should always be quiet, or he would punish everyone. Gigi gathered all of her songs and nursery rhymes, came up with a plan, and didn't tell anyone. She knew the children wouldn't be punished if the king could not hear. While the king was sleeping, she snuck into his room and poured honey in his ear. The king woke up the next day. He couldn't hear a thing. The honey turned to wax. The king smiled all day because it was silent. No one disturbed him in any way. There was peace and quiet. He never noticed what his ear had incited. Gigi gathered all of the children and taught them to sing and play. The songs they sang back then are still around, making children happy every day.
Thank you, Gigi. Thank you, Gigi.
I may be afraid, but I can do it. They may laugh, but I can do it. I put it in my mind, and I take my time. No matter what it is, I can do it. I have to start, so I can do it. It may get tough, but I can do it. No matter what it is, I have to face my fears. It may take some tears, but I can do it. I won't walk away, 'cause I can do it. I won't make excuses, 'cause I can do it. I can bet on me, I will succeed, and keep my head up high. I can do it. It may be dark sometimes, but I can do it. The sun always shines. I can do it. I put it in my mind, and I take my time and stay positive, 'cause I can do it.
Thank you, Gigi. Thank you, Gigi.
Dad says I need a haircut, but I really hate the sound. Buzz, buzz, clip, clip, chop. It's all too loud. I wish I had special glasses so hair wouldn't get in my eyes. I wish I had a helmet to go inside and hide. I wish the clippers didn't tickle so hard and catch me by surprise. But Dad says I need a haircut. What if I let it grow in my eyes? I probably couldn't see too well. I'd have to peek out from the sides. I know that I need a haircut. My hair tangles in the comb. I wish there was another way. Maybe just leave my hair alone. But Dad says I need a haircut. I'm probably going to cry. But at the end, I love how I look. I'm such a handsome guy. So go ahead and get a haircut. It's easier than you think. And at the end, they'll say, "Good job." It's over in a blink.
Thank you, Gigi.
Hi, friends. Welcome to Thank You GiGi's Positivity Parade. Today we're going on a musical adventure. And guess who's here with us? Clever.
Do 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 do. Da 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 da.
Oh no, I can't remember the rest of the song.
Uh-oh. It looks like Clever's got a song stuck in his head. He can't remember the words. Can anyone help him out?
Hi, Gigi. Hi, Clever. I think I know what's going on. Clever, I've been there before. Sometimes a song just gets stuck in our head and we can't remember the words. But guess what? That's okay. It's still fun to hum along, just like this.
Really? So it's okay if I can't remember the words?
Absolutely. You can always make up your own words or just hum the tune until it comes back. It's all about having fun and being creative.
You don't always need the perfect words to make a song special. The most important thing is that you're being creative and enjoying the music.
Okay, let's see if I can make up my own words. Maybe the words will come back. But for now, I'll just keep humming.
That's the spirit, Clever. Keep going. It's all about having fun with your creativity.
I hear a bell, a little tune. It follows me around like it's the moon. I hear a bell, a little song. Don't know the words, so I just hum. Do 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 do, da 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 da. Do 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 do, da 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 da. Do 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 do, da 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 da. Do 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 do, da 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 da.
Hey, I think I'm starting to remember some of the words. But if I don't, that's okay too. I'm still having fun.
Exactly, Clever. The fun part is the music itself, not whether or not we have all the words. We can make it our own.
That's right. Creativity is about having fun and expressing yourself. Even if things aren't perfect, you're doing a great job, Clever. Now it's your turn, friends. Can you think of your own silly song and hum along with us? Don't worry about getting it perfect. Just have fun and let the creativity flow.
Do 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 do, da 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 da. Do 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 do, da 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 da. Do 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 do, da 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 da. Do 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 do, da 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 da.
Great job, friends. You're such great creators. And remember, if you forget the words to the song, just keep humming or make up your own tune. It's your song and you can do whatever you want with it.
Yeah, you don't need to worry about being perfect. Just let the music come from your heart.
Sometimes it's good to just sit quietly and listen to the music inside of us. That's how we discover our own special melody.
Yeah, and it feels good to just hum along.
Music is a beautiful way to express who we are. So whenever you hear a song, remember, it's okay to hum, sing, or make up your own words.
Now, friends, it's time for the Humming with Clever challenge. We want you to make up your own silly song and hum along with us. You can even post it with the hashtag Humming with Clever, and we might just see your video. Ready? Let's go! Thank Thank you so much for singing and humming with us today. Remember, it's all about having fun, being creative, and embracing the joy of music. We'll see you next time on Thank You GiGi's Positivity Parade. Bye for now.
Thank you, Gigi. Thank you, Gigi.
I'm afraid of the dark. I always hear sounds. I can't see a thing. What if creatures are around? What if something touches me and starts crawling through my hair? It might be something in the corner. It's really dark over there. What if something's in the closet? It's been waiting there for me. It's probably just my imagination, but could it really be? I saw a shadow on my window, but I guess it's just a tree. Now I have a nightlight. It's brighter than the stars. I close my eyes and feel my heartbeat. I think about tomorrow. You might get scared sometimes, but it will be okay. Just close your eyes tight, and all the bad things go away.
Thank you, Gigi.
Hey kids, this is Gigi. Today we're gonna learn affirmations. Repeat after me. I am helpful. I am kind. And as happy as can be. I love to smile. I love to laugh. I love positivity. I love myself. I am strong. I can be what I want to be. I am brave. I am unstoppable. Nothing's stopping me. I'm enough. I am powerful. I have everything I need. I can do it because I'm amazing.